Hey guys, every day that I live with this stove with our family, it just amazes me more and more. It's so incredibly safe. I have the outside of the firebox insulated with Aircrete, and I mean, if you haven't or don't understand the super insulative properties of Aircrete, you can go watch my video called What is Aircrete, but it is absolutely incredible. And so like at the front of the burn box, about 1500 degrees. In the back, it's over 2000 degrees. And I can put my hand on the outside of the stove, no problem. The way I designed the front door, it's got the interior secondary flap. The air goes in, down in front of that flap, the fresh air, and then in the bottom of the stove. So the door doesn't even get hot. I'm just so incredibly confident with how safely this stove operates. I have no problem letting my 10-year-old son operate this stove, and he does it fantastically. It's awesome.
Open the door so we can see the fire a little bit better. Thank you.
Can you hear the roar?
Especially when you open the door, yeah.
Yeah, the door muffles the roar quite a bit. And then if I open, now this door does get hot, so my son knows to use a stick to pull it up, and then you can load it. It's got a pretty good load in it right now. But.
What are you doing, buddy?
Just waiting to have it with my mom. This. Focus on this.
That was awesome of you. Good job. Can I get a thumbs up? Thank you.
Alice, don't you know that stoves are hot? Huh? Don't you know stoves are hot? Yeah. I guess you don't.